today I'm just going to be telling you what each picture is, and I want you to take the little circle that's on the page and cover which sound it starts with. So the first one, which is right here where my little mouse is an apple. So apple. Next to it is a banana, banana. And this is a cat, cat. This is a dog, dog. Let's go down. An elephant, elephant. Fish, fish. Goat, goat. Helicopter, helicopter. This is a igloo. This is a juice box. So juice, juice. Kite, kite. Lion, lion. Monkey, monkey. Net, net. An octopus, octopus. Octopus. A pig, pig. A queen, queen. A robot, robot. A snake, snake. A turtle, turtle. An umbrella, umbrella. A volcano, volcano. A watermelon, watermelon. An X-ray, X-ray. A yo-yo, yo-yo. And a zebra, zebra. So I want you to tell me what the beginning sound of all of those words are. And I know you know it because you are so smart. And I believe in you.